Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to have to introduce our new products on my right hand for this one, the portable compartment sinks. And this unit is coming with 4 compartments. Let me give you the measurements first. For the unit's length, about like 5 feet, 60 inches. And the overall depth about like 20 inches. And the overall height is about like 42 inches. As we can see, they have 2 big open door at the front. They come in with a locker and the keys from the manufacturers. Have the wheels at the bottom for you to easy to move. And they also have a connection hose at behind. This one for you to connect with the standard 110 plugs. And the units coming with the 2 4Cs from the manufacturer too. And we can take closer to see the sink dimensions. As we can see, the units, they offer this paper towel dispensers, and also this is for the soap dispensers. For this side, they come in with the hot waters and cold waters. It's for you to wash the hand on this side. In the middle, they come in with a splash board to divide the different sections. This side for the food preparations. And let me give you the dimensions too. For the food preparation side, the sink will be 10 inches wide and 14 inches long and 10 inches deep. These 3 will be the same, and also the faucets coming from the manufacturer offer the cold water, hot waters. And for washing the hands, the sink will be 14 inches long, 10 inches wide, 10 inches deep too. And the splash board, this one about like 6 inches tall in total. For this for the bottom of the units, we can see they have handles and with the lockers. You can squeeze it when we open it. We can see they have a total 2 big water tanks inside, and also having this heating equipments, water pipes, and all the plugs right here. This using the 110 standard plugs too. That's what be the all information about this one NSF approved stainless steel made units, the portable sinks. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.